Today we're going to change this toilet out. This is the foot pedal, like this right here. It broke. All the parts are on back order. You can buy just the base. They don't have bases. They're all on back order. So I bought a new toilet. And it's just like the one I've got inside, so we're going to replace that one today. Shouldn't take too long, but first is lunchtime. Here's the toilet we got here now. You can see the foot pedal broke off here. And the base is all I really needed, but had to buy the whole thing. So just have to, as you can see back in here, that's where we disconnect the water at, right here, it comes up. And a couple bolts at the bottom, one there, one over here, and undo the water. Oh, you can see it a little bit better over here. Undo this water right here, right there, and set the other one in there. New rubber ring down at the bottom, and we'll be ready to go. Got it out of the box. Comes wrapped pretty good. Now, got all the parts in here and everything I need. Porcelain bowl, which is the best. The seats are never very good, but that's what we got. So the ring and 2 bolts. That's all it's going to take. So, well, I think it's going to match our other one. Get the other one out and put this one in. Turn the water off. Main thing. Make sure it's all out of here. We don't have no spillage. And we're going to. It's empty. It's done. Okay. Parts there. Take these off. These off here. Twist the wrench down here. Over here off. Okay, I got the nuts off. Here. Now, to take the water off, turn the water off. It's just this one valve right here. Undo that, I don't even see it. And you can kind of see it right there. Take this off, unscrew it, and pull it up. And we bring that one in. Okay, probably have a little bit of water run out of there to do it. So, get some rags out here. These microfibers are about the best rag you can buy. Okay, I got that nut loose, as you can see where the water's coming out at, right there. Undo that and pull the toilet up. And wipe the water up. They're not very heavy. It's about a 20-minute job, maybe. Okay, set this one down here. Okay. The other parts. That's what we got to do. We stop it now. Got the other one outside. Got this one in. Before we start, I think I'll wipe all the water up. Like I said, these microfiber rags are about the best. I can tell you I like them a lot. Come with new bolts, so we'll just put the new bolts in. They come with a rubber seal. You don't want to forget to put that on. This takes the place of a wax ring you get inside. Put this right in here. Right down like that. I got new bolts in there. I think I'm using new bolts. The old one's away. Save those. Turn the thing sideways so that I'm going to make sure this thing gets turned sideways so that it doesn't pull up out of it. Good. Here's the part that was bad. This part here.
What part?
This part here was bad. It kept popping off, so I didn't enjoy it. Very simple. You can just set right back down there. Like I said, you don't want to forget to put that rubber thing, make sure it stays on there. And 2 holes, 2 bolts. Oh, you gonna help me, Kitty? Now it's going to help. Okay, that one's lined up. And you can see they're both lined up. The water lines up. Tighten the water back up. Okay, you gotta make sure you tighten these evenly. Don't just tighten one down all the way. You tighten one little ways on the side here. A wrench might be better, but I just grabbed a 2 crescent wrench. I think it's like a 9/16 size, might be metric, I'm not sure. But you gotta make sure you tighten both sides evenly. Tighten the toilet up. It's gonna be wobbling at first because you gotta smash the rubber ring down.
Oh, so that's normal for it to be wobbly at first?
Yep.
Okay.
That way to see a toilet.
Oh, well, we'll just pretend like we're on a boat.
You sit on it, and then that really smashes everything down. That's how you do a wax rings at a house, but you got rubber. Just set it down, and that way it just sits down just like it's supposed to be.
Okay. Do I have to replace the toilet next time it breaks?
Yeah, you have.
Can always watch the YouTube about it if I don't know how.
And don't forget to tighten the water up in the back too.
Tighten the water up.
Tighten that up. You got it. It started. I'm gonna tighten it up.
Okay.
This base is not porcelain. It's porcelain up here. But if your toilet is porcelain, you got to really make sure that you have a good rubber or a plastic gasket, a washer under here. You got to really be careful because if you tighten one side, you tighten the other one, it will break the screw. So this plastic will be all right. That's if you have a porcelain base. I end up using a pair of these adjustable pliers for the back. It actually work better for the back. Got the water on now. Okay. Oh, instructions. Oh well. Okay, the water's on. And you take a flashlight's always good. Check for leak. This is the water from before. I should have wiped. It just kept dripping a little bit. The back here. Oh, I don't facing the back here. Turn the water on.
Action.
Okay. Toilet's in. Everything's tightened. Feels good, just like the other one. You might want to come back after a while and check again for leaks, make sure there's no water coming out.
Do you have any tips for flushing? Like, should people be gentle with that flusher?
Well, you know, yes. I think I would always just go push it down and let it go back boom fast. So I think it's always better to just do it like this. I like to do it like this, but I think if you do it like this and let it up, it's going to be better.
Yeah, the springs will last longer, right?
Foot pedal was popped off, and that's what I had to do was replace that. So, well, yeah, replacing an RV toilet 101. Okay. About a month ago, I had to replace this part here. This little part here that opens the trap door on the foot pedal. So I'm going to keep this part. I'm going to take it off. Keep this part. I'll probably keep a lot of these parts. Probably won't keep the porcelain. Depends on how much room I've got, but those I will replace because they're good. But I probably won't take the spring off because they were saying the spring is put on with a machine, and if I did get it off, I could probably never get it on somewhere else. So, but that's replacing the Thetford AQUA-MAGIC Style 2. Full China bowl. Bought this at Camping World. The only place I could find it. eBay did not have them. They were all out of stock. Amazon. Camping World had it. It was with my Camping World Good Sam discount. It was, I think it was $203 with tax. That's just the whole thing. If you buy just the base, it's like $70, but couldn't find the base, so ended up buying it all.